Hello, today we will discuss how to add close tester to your Google Play Console mobile app. So you can see the list of my apps. Currently I have only one app I try to approve on Google Console. I add all the details, but one thing is remaining: close tester. You can click it here and go in details. On dashboard you can see here I need at least 20 testers, and I already added on 15 testers. Also that tester need to at least 14 days to use that app. So how we can add testers on our in our close testing API? So just need click on testing, then close testing. In close testing, if you already have uploaded a track, or you can create a new track. We already have a track, we just need to manage track. And here you can see your release information, country and region, and testers. We just click on testers. Here we already have a list of 30 users. You can create new list if you want. Need to name the list name. Here you need to enter all your emails that you want to add. After adding, just need to click enter. For other, you need to enter other and enter click. So two are added, and then need to save changes. It will create a list and save the changes. Now your release is available on that for that users. You just need to copy that link and share with the users of that email you are now added, and send them that URL. By clicking that URL, user can install that app. Other than, they will not be able to get that app. So share that link and they will be able to install that app. As they install the app, it will show in your dashboard. Here it will increase 15 to 16, 17, 18 as they are installing app on their devices. Thanks for watching.